Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss a Python program. Write a program that inputs an integer in range 0 to 999 and print if the integer entered is a single digit, a two digit or three digit numbers using nested if statements, which means when the user enters the number it finds out the single digit, two digit or three digit number from 0 to 999. Let's see with practical example here. I'm just going to declare a num variable and take the input from the user. So write here int, convert the string value into the int and write here input and pass here the message, enter a number, enter a number 0 to 999 and just press enter. Write here the condition, check here the condition if num less than 0 or num greater than 999, then colon, print here invalid entry, okay. Look here, the condition check the number if the number less than 0 or greater than 999, then this number is invalid. Now just write here the else part, else, and check here the number if number less than 10, then print here single digit number is entered. Okay, this condition check if the number less than 10, which means 0 to 9, the number is single digit. Now come to the else part of this if and write here another condition if num less than 100, then print number is right here two digit number is entered. Okay, write else part of this if else and print the message three digit number is entered. Okay, and just save this program and run this program, run module. Okay, enter a number. Just I am going to enter the number as a 7 and press enter. The single digit number is entered. Come to the explanation part. When the user enter the number is stored into the num variable and check this if condition. The value of num is 10, so this condition become false and this condition also false. So control come to the else part and this is the nested if and check here the number value. The num value less than 10, which means the number is 7 and this will print the message single digit number is entered and now the program is terminated. Okay, now again run it and enter the value as a 78. This is two digit number. Just again check the condition here. The first if condition become false, come to the else part. Check here, number less than 10, condition become false, control come to this else part and check this condition. If num less than 100, which means number is 78, so this condition become true and print two digit number is entered. Program will be terminated here. Now run this module again and enter the value as a 200 and press enter. 3 digit numbers. Okay, now just again consider this program. I think you will understand the program from the starting. Just come to the else part and print 3 digit number. Okay, I think well understand this program. Thank you friends for watching my video. Like and comment my video. Subscribe my channel. Thanks again. Thanks a lot.